Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Infiniti G35 fuel gauge. Many owners experience inaccurate readings, often caused by issues with the fuel sending units inside the tank. These units measure fuel levels and send data to your dashboard. Sometimes, simple corrosion on electrical connectors can also be the culprit, preventing proper communication. We will go through the steps to diagnose and resolve these common problems, ensuring your fuel gauge provides reliable information. To diagnose the problem, you will need to access the fuel tank, usually by removing the rear seat. Inside, you will find two fuel sending units. Use a multimeter to test the resistance of each unit. A healthy unit typically shows resistance between 5 and 80 ohms, varying with fuel level. Look for any visible damage or corrosion on the wiring harnesses and connectors. This step helps pinpoint which component is causing the inaccurate readings. Once you have identified the faulty component, the next step is repair or replacement. If a sending unit is defective, replace it with a new one. These are typically available from automotive parts stores. For corroded electrical contacts, use a specialized contact cleaner to remove any buildup. Make sure all wiring connections are secure and properly seated to ensure good electrical flow. This attention to detail is crucial for a lasting fix. After completing the repairs, it is time to test your work. Reassemble all components, ensuring everything is securely in place. Refill your fuel tank and observe the gauge's response. It should now provide an accurate reading. Drive your Infiniti G35 for a short period, perhaps 20 to 30 miles, to confirm the gauge functions consistently. This final verification ensures your fuel gauge is reliably fixed and ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.